Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you best liquid glass launcher for your any Android device. So let's begin. Okay guys, first download this launcher on your Android device. This launcher download link available on description. Simply click and download. After download, simply tap and open. Simply tap on get started, tap on next, and select wallpaper. Guys, every wallpaper available on this launcher, also animated wallpapers. Simply select anyone, tap on apply and next. Tap on allow permission. And in last, set this launcher as default launcher. Now look at this new liquid glass launcher on your Android device. Look at this water ripple effect also available on this launcher. This is app drawer, completely awesome app drawer with liquid glass effect. Look at this in folder also have frosted glass effect. Now let me show you launcher setting. Simply go to launcher setting. First home screen. Look at this. Simply remember enable liquid glass effect, and if you want to enable or disable water ripple effect, then simply disable or enable. Now icon packs. Every option available on this launcher. You also set custom background style. Simply go back. Now stack navigation. This is app drawer stack option. Search and intelligence. Wallpaper. Guys, if you want to set custom wallpaper from gallery, then simply tap on plus button and set also custom wallpaper. But in this launcher, many of beautiful awesome wallpapers available with animated wallpapers. Completely awesome wallpapers. Simply tap and download and apply. Tap on apply and look at this new wallpaper. Now talk about icon packs. Simply go to launcher setting, and guys, every icons available on this launcher. Simply tap on icon pack and many amazing icons available on this launcher. Look at these 3D fluffy liquid glass icons. Every icons available. Simply select any one. Look at these 3D leather icons also available on this launcher. Fluffy icons. Look at these glass icons. Simply tap and unlock and apply. Look at these new glass launcher, icons. Okay guys, if you want to set fluffy setup on this launcher, then let me show you. Simply go to wallpapers and find fluffy wallpaper. Look at this fluffy wallpaper. Simply download and apply. Now go back, simply go to icon packs and apply fluffy icons. Look at these fluffy icons. In this launcher, two fluffy icons available. Look at these. This is and this. Simply tap and download and apply. Now talk about widget. Simply tap on add widget and this is launcher widgets, and you also install system widgets. This is clock. Now leather setup. Simply go to launcher setting again, go to wallpaper and apply leather wallpaper. Look at this leather wallpaper. Simply download and apply. Now go back, icon packs, and simply apply leather icon pack. So guys, you also install this new liquid glass launcher and set up your device like this. I hope you enjoy this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.